JAMB 2018 Mathematics, question number 16. Express S in terms of M and R. If M over root S is equal to R over root R plus S. In other words, we are expected to make S the subject of the formula in the expression M over root S equal to R over root R plus S. Now, let's quickly convert this expression to a straight line form by cross multiplying. So, by cross multiplication, we are going to have this to this. That's okay. So, we have M times root R plus S as M root R plus S. Then equal to root S times R, we are going to have R root S. Correct. At this juncture, we are going to square both sides because we have S here in square roots and S here in square roots. And when we were talking about change of subject of formula, we said the only thing that can cancel square root is a square. So for us to remove this square root, we have to square both sides. And we're going to have M root R plus S square equal to R root S square. Remember, if we have x y square and we have let's say everything is raised to the power of 3 here. In indices, we say x and y squared share this power. So we can simply rewrite this expression as s cubed, then y raised to the power of 2 times 3 to give us 6. That is in indices. Take note of that. So the same way we are going to express this. So we have m squared. The square of R plus S is R plus S here, since it is in square roots, equal to R square. Then the square of root S is simply S. Alright, let's expand this expression now. Expansion of m squared into R plus S. So we have m squared times R, we have m squared R, and m squared times S, we are going to have m squared S equal to R squared S. Now let's collect the terms with S at the right hand side and the other terms at the left hand side. So we have m squared R equal to R squared S, as this is going to cross the equation sign is going to be negative m squared S. Alright, so we're going to factor out S and X here. So we have m squared R equal to, if S is taken out, what is going to be left here will be R squared, and what will be left here is m squared. Correct. At this juncture, to have S, we simply divide both sides by the coefficient of S, which is R squared minus m square. So we have m square r over r square minus m square equal to s into r square minus m square over r square minus m square. Okay, we have r square minus m square here, and we have r square minus m square as the denominator. So this can be taken off. That is, r square minus m square divided by r square minus m square will give us 1. So we are left with only s at this side. So we have m square r over r square minus m square to be equal to s. That is to say, s is equal to m square r over r square minus m square. All right, by difference of 2 square, we can have it as s is equal to m square r over difference of 2 square. Now we have r plus m r minus m. If we expand this expression, we are still going to arrive at this. Therefore, the correct option here is D. The correct option here is D. So s is equal to m square r over r plus m r minus m. Thanks for watching. It's MathsGuru. Do not forget to subscribe.